I'm Nathan Cullen with IBM. In this video, we're going to discuss the new partnership we have locally with Arrow in Ireland and what we're doing together to drive positive impacts with our clients and partners. With me today is Russell Morris. Thanks for coming in to speak with me, Russell. First up, I want to congratulate you and your team on winning the IBM distribution business in Ireland. Secondly, I want to congratulate you on your new role as Managing Director for Arrow in Ireland. How are you finding the new role?
Thanks, Nathan. Really enjoying it. Really enthused, really excited. It helps I've got a great team behind me in the local team in Arrow, and it's just amazing how my tenure has coincided with our relationship as well since we won the RFI from January.
Tell me, Russell, what gets you most excited when you think about this new partnership?
The first thing is when we did the RFI process, it was very quick to realise that the synergy between IBM and Arrow has been there for years from a global perspective.
Yeah.
So translating that locally wasn't difficult, and for us to appreciate where we can both leverage off each other to bring continued success in Ireland.
Yeah, that was obvious in your RFI response, and it was fantastic to see how you could leverage the larger organisation to bring value locally.
The other thing really is around innovation. You can feel the innovation coming from IBM whenever we're talking to you. We feel that energy, we feel that kind of capability. And from an Arrow point of view, that's in our DNA. So really, it's embracing that innovation and taking that forward.
Fantastic, yes, innovation, very important. Tell me, Russell, in terms of the challenges you see us being able to solve together, which stand out?
I think initially it's around cloud adoption. In Ireland, it has been a bit slow in the sense of that whole adoption piece. I think there's been this kind of move away from the public cloud to the hybrid cloud and the off-prem options. So for us, it's really kind of driving that conversation forward. I think the other thing is around cybersecurity. Everyone hears about cybersecurity, it's always in the news, with all these various breaches and compromises, so there is a fear out there. However, with the kind of cybersecurity solutions IBM have, it's just another thing we can take to our partners and explain to them out there what options there are to mitigate against that problem. And I think the other thing just to mention is around data itself. So data management, data, it's a key component for all our customers. In a lot of cases, it's what differentiates them. And it's really helping them to leverage off that data and mine it and use it and commoditize it and ultimately, build a business out of it.
Yeah, fantastic. So I think you mentioned three challenges, proper sustainable cloud adoption, whether that be in the public cloud or a hybrid fashion. We've got security, cybersecurity, really big topic with our partner set, and then differentiating through the use of data with the solution set built by our partners. Fantastic. So tell me, Russell, what do you think is the real differentiating value that Arrow and IBM can bring to our local partner set?
So I think building on that cloud adoption piece we spoke about a moment ago, it has to be ArrowSphere. So ArrowSphere is our kind of end-to-end lifecycle cloud management platform. It enables our customers to be able to manage subscriptions, invoicing and billing. It's got a data analytical tool to it. It's got many other features, but it essentially helps with around consumption and managing that for partners going forward and there for their customers.
ArrowSphere is a world-class platform for our partners to make use of. There's no doubt about that. And I know that the IBM solution set is growing day by day that sits on ArrowSphere and is available to our partners. Of the IBM capability that our partners can make use of, is there anything that stands out as something they can use to really differentiate in the market?
Well, I think AI is kind of something that all of us are starting to hear more about as well. And I think that with AI and with IBM, there's certainly a story that we can go out to our partners and show how it can really create difference and value for them. So for me, if we can get those conversations going, I think there's a real benefit.
Definitely, yeah. our embedded AI tooling built into our solution set means our partners can build differentiating solutions really quickly and take them to market. I think it's a really great message to take to our local partners. Russell, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me. I'm really excited about our partnership as we start now in 2023 and grow beyond. Thank you again.